Alright, so I'm coming back to Word Break 2. I played around with this morning. So, what we have got here is, this is just dynamic programming to find out all of the indexes in the list which are true. This will give us all of our words that can make up the list. So, the only time we want to be able to actually do so we need to backtrack from here to find out what words fit within these like indexes and make up the original word. So my original idea was to just find all the permutations of these words before I realized that that doesn't incorporate the DP list. So what we need to do is backtrack using the index that we're just the current index, and then also we need to use our current sentence, which is, yeah, it's not easy. But first off, when you're backtracking, you need a method for it because backtracking is recursive. So we need to iterate through everything here. So we'll have our index, we'll have our current underscore sentence. I might need to look up some stuff for this just because this is a hard problem. Alright. So our words are only ever going to be if index, this will be our base case, our recursive case is equal to n, which is our length. We need to append our sentence to res. I think, and return. We might need to do something like this, but I think just for now we'll leave it as the current sentence that we append. Then we need to do for I in range index. The index is at the end. So this actually needs to be +1. So if for I in range index, I think true, or maybe it needs to be to n. And then it needs to be like if DP index is true. This is inclusive, so it needs to be +1. DP I is true, which will just be our word from here to here. And so from index to I, the CAT T, so this is, we need this inclusive. So from index to I. And this is in the word dictionary. We need to do dot join. Needs to be something like this. And then we just go here and go backtrack 0 and current sentence should be empty, I guess. And just return res. I have no doubt in my mind that this is not gonna work, but okay. DPI is true. Okay. I'm going to plot my code into Gemini and ask for some direction on what's going wrong. Am I not? Current sentence equals join. Oh my goodness, I'm not passing it back in. Okay. So this should be if index is equal to n. That makes sense. Okay, I'm just gonna do Right. So I don't want to just keep going through because it's false anyway, I guess. And there's just no point. That's why I want to start from I, not from index plus 1. Right, that makes sense. Wow. That's actually pretty close. Cat, cat, sand, dog. So it should just be 1. Okay, so why is this registering here? It's like it's doubling up. So maybe this is, if the index is true, this is working, this is the start. So if for I in range, if dp index is true, going from index plus 1, and dpi is true, and s of index plus 1, um, I'm really not too sure. If current index I, if current underscore sentence else s index I. I'm willing to try it and just see if I can get this working here because I really am quite lost. Yeah, okay, that's not really helping. I'm gonna put my error code in and try and find out what's wrong. Start a word at that index. It simply means it's possible to have a valid word break starting here. Oh. That makes sense because DPI is true, which is the end, which is what we need. But the index doesn't necessarily have to be true because that's just a possible breakpoint. Like it can be true, I think, but it doesn't have to be. So we only need to be looking at the end of the word. Huh. I'm gonna try putting this in again. I'm completely lost at this point. Use set for efficient word lookup. Okay, I don't think I need to do that. This is so interesting. I actually think this is wrong, but I'm willing to try. Wait, what did they do different? Word dict equals a set of word dict. Use a set for efficient word lookup. Whatever. That's cool. This is the same as what I did. If index equals n, res.append current sentence dot strip. If DPI is true, like what I did, and s of index in word dict backtrack 0 starting. What's the difference? Index through to I, and it did that as the current sentence. If dp backtrack 0 empty current sentence plus. I don't understand. I don't understand what's been done differently. If dpj and dpi true. Res.append current sentence dot strip, sure. What? Index plus 1, n plus 1. I don't understand what the difference is. I in range range if dp, j, and sji and worddict dvi break. This is all the same, so it has to be something here. If index equals res.append current sentence.strip, that's literally identical. This is all identical for I in range index n+1 if dpi is true, and s of index to I is in worddict. This is all true. Current sentence plus there's no way. Okay, so you have to pass it like this. So if we pass it like this, it's fine. String concatenation cannot be the thing that has ruined me on this question. But it has. Okay, I'm gonna redo this again tomorrow and remember that string concatenation is evil. But real quick, I'm gonna make myself a string. I'm gonna call it hello world. And then I'm gonna do string equals string plus a spacebar plus hello world. I'm not. I'm gonna do a bunch of random numbers. And then I'm gonna print string, and I'm gonna see what happens here, because I'm really confused. This is working. This is what I thought it would do. Why am I not able to do that here? That's so strange. Am I just being stupid? Let's just do current. But does that not ruin my memory? Why can't I do this as current sentence? That's bizarre. That is truly bizarre. Alright, I'm gonna try this one again tomorrow from scratch. So I am gonna delete this so I don't remember a single thing tomorrow. And give that another go. This has been very hard. Nice.